Alright, see it there now. Respect due. Man, them a eat their food. Everything active. Yo, no one of this a food, yeah. Yo. Una eat food already, my yo. Yo, alright. Me don't know you go today, no, but so man, I'm already. Yeah, man, so in Jamaica we call this a one dung. A pot that we don't have meat in one and cook food in one, but we have everything cooked in one pot. So that is what will be happening today. So what we have here, we have coconut milk that I've grated in my special container here, my special container. Here we have Scotch bonnet pepper. We have 2 packs of bulgur. We have the real salt, of course, which is Celtic salt. Yeah, the one with 82 minerals. We have a cauliflower right here. We have okra. We have string bean. We have escallion. We have thyme. We have more peppers, garlic, a piece of ginger. Over here we have pumpkin. So the meal will be today a pumpkin bulgur, but we will mix it with the vegetable right there, and we will make this very spicy as possible and come down in a one down. Stay tuned. Who's coming next? Punchy Mele little fella. Who is coming next? Punchy Mele little fella. We can do it too, Punchy Mele little. Oh, we can do it next, Punchy Mele little fella. What can you do, Punchy Mele little fella? We can do it too. Boy, may I tell you to right, John. My. Mama me ma, wama we wa, fa la ba. Ready, set. You on ready? Almighty, come in. See it here, Rose. You don't know play, no. Why? This man that just near to me, so he come like he don't know about video. Rose, you have to remove time and everything. You not even want to see everything. Everything that whoa! Whoa! Boy, me I tell you, say, oh, to God! One day is here, it's getting serious. Colorful. Hold on. Let me do it little, because we don't really want it.
So man, belly a go bust.
Bust out, God man.
Bust out.
Let me see what they go on, you know. Hold on, what they go on there? Alright, so the rest go get in a them plate.
Which one is the biggest one?
Which one is the biggest one?
Hold on.
Part them road, so. Part them road, so. Rig. Hold on. Come, let me put liquor in a fear before your bex. Can you quick to bex it? You're not bex. Alright, who next?
Before next part.
First? See salt upon this, so. Alright, salt that feet. Yo, where fuck them? Where fuck can you spoon them? Carry spoon them come for me. Let me eat one of them. Because everybody look like they're afraid. What? You want salt, red man? I say go, you know. Me know no young, you know. But that's right salt. Control the yasso. Control the salt, yasso. Because that's right salt, you know. Rick, you're not even just back off for we. Rose, you're just back.
Fresh man.
You're not even just back. Making can see this whole video. I saw this.
Yeah.
No man, everybody have feel themselves. See that this is right salt. Not afraid that it's strong though, you know. This is called Celtic salt.
Salt, no?
Yeah man, so anybody want to look at salt?
Yo, let me taste the food. Let me taste the food.
Yo.
Alright, it's alright, because nobody know want none. Nobody know.
We the next now.
Where will your man? Where will your man?
Yo.
Go on.
Hey boy.
Man, I've already taken the video, come on.
No man on fire. Yo, get the one.
Yo, take your time, Red Blanc.
Sanjay wants salt. Almighty God.
No, not hurting with the salt.
Everybody in the video, yo.
Go, walk on and go on.
And let me taste this.
Claudius. Hold on. Pause the video. Come.
Oh, no, that.
Claudius, where for your plate there? Hold it, Claudius. Claudius, you know your plate, Claudius. Come, hold your plate. If you want a little salt, you can get little. Because they say my food fresh. But we have the right salt.
Yo, man, you start me food and come with a buck. Alright.
We are those violence. Alright, Rick, come, Rick. I want them off you. You can't feed everything. Corona.
What cameraman?
Man, just set up your camera again, come see everybody attack about red man, so.
Alright, hold on.
Why don't you feel?
Wow. You have video, yo? Yo, the lady will pass on the donation. No tell her thanks.
Yeah, thanks to
Thank you
you
for
and
the
your
donation,
shine.
auntie. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you.
So everyone gone already?
Martin.
Hold on.
Hot.
Chin.
Yo, man.
Chin. Hold on. Rose. Chin. Rose.
Yo, what on the bread on me for me to my brother, my salt, not that.
You can have your fries at the time.
Better. Leave me some with
Man say salt. Salt, man. I don't know do it still in about watch the face.
Because we don't overdo this out because we're good.
Don't kill him. With the pepper.
And them love his salt.
Can't you do dinner them this I said before, you know? So you just fire the camera, okay?
Me I get everybody in I think.
Everybody
in there, brother.
Just
don't say nothing if you broke.
Where does say? When you hear this man, me want more salt.
Yo, who say they want more salt?
This man, me want no salt.
Come, take up them here. Take up this.
No salt you want, he say you want more salt.
I saw food, they want to give man, you give money.
I will crave salt in a film,
Yeah,
sir.
the man is true salt there, right? Just everybody a grab and you come over in my door. That's what I say.
You make it.
I don't know better for me. True good, man.
Hey, Rick, no love them a sitting out. Where's the Brian? Brian, you have to trouble for me.
Come put some over here, so too. Almighty God. No one juice, man. Galang ka ba? Juice ang mga.
Sorry, sir. I said to me, buy one to me. Why not come?
Red man.
No.
Eh.
Bro, buy one to the road. Buy one, two juice.
Up your feet, you hang, you can hang up on you.
Yeah.
Buy 1 minute.
Alright, video man. Nobody done the film.
Nah, buy me now.
Finishing product, mirror, red man, no God Almighty. No, red man, no red man. No, God, no red man. Everybody food that, everybody crumbs that. Lord God, yeah, no, Jesus. Yo, God, alright, red man, alright, red man, alright. Could I manage to left in iPad? You can't manage to left in iPad. Red man, your belly full. Take up an ice spoon. Oh, that's how I use. Red man, you can't manage to left. Let me see why you left in there. Red man, but your belly not full. No trouble, man. It's salt. Make him take him one salt. Nobody call the man food.
Belly full?
Alright, see you there? Outside. Yeah, man. Aberdeen, one Aberdeen. Yeah, man, one Aberdeen, one red man. Wall them, man. Wall them. Yo. I want thing doing if you for me today me a laugh, you know. Yo. Red man serious. You want more? Give him little in it. Give Rose a little bit in iron. Cause Rose want it. All Rose are going Rose want it. Yeah man, share it man. No brother, take it in now. You can't take out the time out there. You can't take out the time if you want. See how Claudius they want little in iron too, you know. See Claudius say. Yeah, man, we have to share, you know, man.